Hello, good morning to all my subscribers and everyone who will come across to this video. Today we will be discussing about a new landmark project in Wagholi. Friends, Wagholi in the eastern suburbs of Pune is the hottest real estate destination. All the top developers are coming up with unique projects here. Wagholi is very well connected to developed localities of Viman Nagar, Kalyani Nagar, Kharadi, Keshav Nagar, Fursungi and Camp, which are also the employment hubs in Pune for all the IT professionals. Wagholi is also close to all major transport points like the Pune International Airport, Pune Railway Station. Wagholi also has a good government infrastructure for water supply, electricity supply and civic safety. All the schools, colleges and hospitals well known are close by in Wagholi. Hence Wagholi is a very good destination. Our project is called Meander. This drone view image shows 5 towers and amenities area. There are 8 flats on a floor. There are 2 lifts and 2 staircases in each building. We can see the 5 beautiful towers and the amenity space in this slide. Meander has 1 and 2 BHK homes. 1 BHK will be 437 square feet and 440 square feet carpet area. 2 BHK will be 597 square feet and 616 square feet carpet area. So when we see the floor plan, we understand this 1 BHK has 2 toilets, unlike the regular 1 BHKs. Apart from this, there are 2 different types of 2 BHKs with a small variation. Meander has amenities for all age generations, starting from senior citizen sit-out, amphitheatre, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, jogging track, indoor games, mini cricket pitch, climbing wall for children, and plenty more to have a great time at the project. Why you should consider this project? It has been done by a very reputed developer in Pune. The project has a very well planned layout at a good location. 1 BHK comes with 2 toilets. These homes are child safe homes. The edges on your walls, they are rounded off. All entry points come with a mosquito mesh. All homes come with a seepage warranty. There's a 3-tier security in the entire project. All homes have water purifiers pre-installed. Branded sanitary and CP fittings are given. This property is ideal for all the IT employees stationed in Kharadi, Kalyani Nagar, Viman Nagar, Magarpatta and Fursungi. Additionally, this property is also the best opportunity for all the investors in Pune to buy 1 and 2 BHK homes and get regular rentals. Citizens of Ahmednagar, Aurangabad, Satara, Parbhani can buy 1 and 2 BHK homes here for their kids studying in schools and colleges. This is better than staying in a hostel. For additional information, site visits and offers, please call Ellen Realty. If you have liked the video, please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time.